Hi, this is Simon. Today's snippet we're going to call Raving fans. So what is the most important thing that you do for your clients on a day-to-day basis? Clearly, you produce the product or the service that they've procured from you. You do the best job of delivering that you possibly can. You make sure that there are no failed products or returns or anything else in that process. What you're actually trying to do is to create somebody who loves your business enough that they're going to come back to you time and time and time again. And we term those people raving fans. So not only are they going to come back to you on a repeat basis and spend more money with you during a day, a week, a month, a year, whatever that cycle might look like, but they are going to be telling other people how great you are. They will write you a testimonial for your business. They will give you a Google review. They'll give you a Facebook review. They'll give you a framed A4 letter that says how fabulous you are. And those are the people that you want in your business. One raving fan is worth 1,000 grumpy customers who are not happy with your service. So think really hard about what it is you do for those people, for your clients on a day-to-day basis, and look at them as being your future referrals and your future testimonials, your raving fans as a business owner. Hope that's been useful. That's today's snippet, and I've been Simon Nelson.